Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new Maypen interchange. Now we're going to give you a drone tour first, and then towards the end of the video we will give you a drive-in tour. So this is a new interchange for Maypen. It's part of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. It was just opened last week, and this is a diamond interchange, meaning you can get on and off the highway from any side. So the cars on the left, where you see those cars driving, that's the left side. That is look at the car all the way to the left, reversing. Unbelievable. Now, okay, that car is also reversing. Very strange. Alright, so the cars on the left are going from Maypen to Mandeville. And the cars on the right are going from the cars on the left are going from Mandeville to Maypen, and the cars on the right are going from Maypen to Mandeville. Now this is the China Harbour Engineering Company's facility. This was their base of operations while they were building the highway. Now this section of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville is free. You don't have to pay to use this section of the highway. Not until it will be free for the rest of this year. So that ramp on the left now is if you're heading from Maypen to Mandeville, and if you want to exit to go into Maypen, you would exit on the left, go under the underpass and head towards the Maypen bypass. Head towards the Maypen. So we're just giving you a view now of what it looks like. Very nicely done. Job well done to China Harbour Engineering Company. They built a magnificent road. Now the ramp on the right is if you were getting onto the highway from Maypen and heading towards Kingston. Very nicely done. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video, enjoy the rest of the tour, and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this interchange. Now this is a major interchange, meaning it has 4 ramps. It's a diamond interchange. As you can see, it looks like a diamond. The only other interchange like this in Jamaica is the Old Harbour interchange. However, this interchange for Maypen is the largest interchange in Jamaica. The largest diamond interchange, I should say. The only other one like this is Mandeville, not Mandeville, Old Harbour. And we're going to give you an aerial tour of that one so you can see, but it's not as big as this one. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving from Maypen to Mandeville on the new leg of Highway 2000. Now we're going to exit at the Maypen interchange, so we're going to exit here on the left, Now this is a diamond interchange, meaning you can enter and exit the highway from any direction you're going in. This is only the second such interchange. Old Harbor is the only other place that has an interchange like this. And these interchanges work perfectly. There is no toll plaza to contend with. Old Harbor is the same thing. You just get off, do your business, get back on, and head on your way. So this is the Maypen interchange, and this should be the standard for which they use for all the future major interchanges. It wouldn't work for everyone, but for the major interchanges, like when the highway eventually goes by Mandeville, I hope they put one like this. Alright, so that's the main road, but we're not going on the main road. Today we are just showing you guys the interchange. So if we turn left here now, we would head towards the Rio Mino Bridge. But we're going to show you the other side now, where you have the other two lanes. So if you're heading in the direction from Kingston to, you would use this side.